10 miles south of Kinburn Spit in the Black Sea, Ukraine launched its latest audacious sea and drone attack on critical Russian infrastructure, this time targeting a heavily defended ammunition depot. It's early morning hours, October 23, 2025. What happens next would demonstrate how innovation defeats expensive traditional defenses. Ukraine's Magura V5 unmanned surface vehicle. At 5.5 meters long, this sea drone carries 320 kilograms of explosives and reaches 42 knots, roughly 48 miles per hour. Its plastic hull creates minimal radar signature, making it nearly invisible. With an 800-kilometer range, it costs around $250,000, expensive for a drone but cheap compared to what it destroys. That night, thick fog reduced visibility to under 300 feet and disrupted Russian radar systems. Under this cover, the Magura approached at 40 miles per hour, undetected. Here's the innovation. The Magura carried 5 Shrike FPV drones inside its hull. These Ukrainian-made quadcopters cost just $320 each and carry 1 to 3 kilograms of explosives. It's essentially a miniature drone aircraft carrier. The game changer was fiber-optic control. As each Shrike launched, a hair-thin cable unspooled behind it, maintaining a crystal-clear video connection to operators miles away. This cable provided 1080p video feed with zero latency. The critical advantage: fiber-optic drones are completely immune to electronic warfare jamming. Russian forces invested millions in jamming systems to disable radio-controlled drones. But you can jam radio waves. You cannot jam a strand of glass. The target was a major Russian ammunition depot near the Kinburn Spit in Mykolaiv Oblast, storing 500 tons of artillery shells and Grad rockets essential for Russian operations. Defenses were formidable. Pantsir-S1 surface-to-air missile systems worth $15 million each, capable of engaging targets with 30mm cannons and missiles. Krasukha-4 electronic warfare systems jamming GPS and radio signals. Radar installations scanning waters and airspace. Infantry positions with heavy machine guns and RPG-7s forming the outer defensive ring. Ukrainian intelligence had mapped this target for weeks, studying patrol patterns, identifying radar blind spots, and waiting for the perfect weather. The goal wasn't just destroying a warehouse, it was crippling Russia's logistics pipeline for the Mykolaiv assault. The Magura reached launch position 5 miles offshore. Hatches opened, 5 Shrike drones deployed, fiber-optic cables trailing behind. The drones split into multiple directions, overwhelming defenses. Russian operators saw intermittent contacts. The Krasukha-4 flooded the area with jamming signals, which affected nothing. Infantry opened fire. Tracers cut through fog. 1 Shrike disintegrated under machine gun fire. An RPG explosion severed another drone's cable. While Russians focused on aerial threats, the Magura accelerated to full speed, a 1,000-kilogram projectile screaming toward shore at over 40 miles per hour. The Pantsir couldn't effectively engage the fast surface target while tracking aerial drones from multiple directions. The drone warhead and its 320-kilogram warhead breached the depot walls. Simultaneously, surviving Shrikes hit their marks. One disabled the Pantsir's generator, cutting power. Another destroyed the radar array. The primary blast ignited 500 tons of ammunition. Artillery shells cooked off. Rocket propellant ignited in a chain reaction reaching 2,000 degrees. Secondary explosions rippled through the structure for hours, destroying 80% of the facility. The result: Ukraine eliminated a $60 million target using $300,000 in drones, a 200-to-1 cost ratio. The strategic impact was immediate. Russia lost critical ammunition supplies for Black Sea operations. Artillery fire rates dropped dramatically. The attack stalled Russia's Mykolaiv assault as units couldn't sustain operations without resupply. NATO satellites confirmed a 450-foot crater where the depot stood. This exemplifies Ukraine's revolution in warfare. A sea drone costing less than a luxury car defeated defenses worth tens of millions. FPV drones costing hundreds disabled million-dollar systems. Modern warfare isn't won by the biggest budget, it's won by whoever innovates faster. On that October night, Ukrainian ingenuity shattered heavily fortified defenses.